Hi everybody! Today let's join Captain Discovery as we explore the secret behind the door of one of the largest crayons factories in the world. Imagine that every year, millions of crayons are produced. Each day, hundreds of kilograms of wax are heated and go through transformative stages to become vibrant crayon sticks. This process is not just manufacturing, but an adventure into the world of color and imagery. Don't forget to subscribe to Captain Discovery channel to support us in creating more fascinating content. Crayons began with the use of natural materials such as charcoal and wax from ancient times. The production of the first crayons is recorded in the early 19th century in England. During this period, crayons were primarily made from materials such as activated charcoal or ink. The popular oil wax crayon, like Crayola, emerged in the 1920s. Offering convenience and a wide range of colors for both children and adults. Upon entering the crayon manufacturing plant, you are immediately immersed in a world of color. One, material preparation. The material preparation area emits the smell of fresh resin and is bustling with containers waiting to be filled. The materials for crayon production include paraffin wax, dyes, and additives. Workers open valves to transfer materials into the plant. Two, mixing. In the production area, the sound of machinery and the rhythmic movement of crayon bits create a unique symphony, awakening your creativity. Here, basic elements like paraffin wax and dyes are poured into large boilers. By stirring continuously, workers transform seemingly unrelated fragments into vibrant works of art. Can you guess how many crayons can be created from a batch of paraffin wax? Three, molding. Once the colorful mixture is ready, it is pumped into spinning molds to harden the wax, similar to pouring water into molds to create gemstones. The wax hardens and a blade scrapes off the excess wax for reuse. Under the influence of pressure and temperature, the wax in the molds quickly forms into familiar cylindrical shapes. At this point, a robotic arm, resembling a crane, swiftly picks up the hardened crayons and places them on the conveyor belt at dazzling speeds. This factory can produce 14 million crayons per day and manufacture 3 billion craft products annually. The number is staggering, but not surprising, given the significant investment in modern machinery to achieve the highest efficiency. Four, packaging. Workers begin by pouring glue into the automatic labeling machine. The labeling machine operates swiftly, wrapping colorful sheets of paper around crayons. Batches of blue, red, purple, and yellow crayons come off the production line. The operator checks the product quality and places them into containers. After being molded, the colored crayons are placed into different tanks based on their colors. Beneath these tanks, there is a packaging conveyor. Each packaging mold on this conveyor corresponds to a specific color set. As it moves through each tank, each one drops crayons into the corresponding packaging mold. How many different crayon brands have you used? Share your favorite type of crayon in the comments below. Finally, the crayons are packaged in exquisite wrappers. They are prepared for their journey out into the world to bring joy and creativity to imaginative children. 5. Environmental protection. To reduce the negative impact on the environment, the factory uses recycled materials, limits toxic substances, and utilizes solar energy. Thanks for exploring the crayons production process with us. If you're amazed by the blend of technology and craftsmanship we showcased, like, share, and comment your thoughts below. Don't forget to subscribe to Captain Discovery for more interesting journeys.